Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best axes tested that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Fiskars X27 Super Splitting Axe. For the power and velocity that only a long handle axe can deliver, look no further than the Fiskars X27 Super Splitting Axe. At 38 inches long and 6 pounds, it requires strength and coordination to swing, but once the blade strikes, it leaves a decisively powerful cut. The Fiskars axe doesn't have a full maul head, but the backside could be used to drive a splitting wedge if needed. The handle, manufactured from fiberglass composite, absorbs some of the shock of each strike. It also has a slightly textured but smooth surface and flared end to help maintain a grip. Moving on at number 4, we have Estwing Fireside Friend 14 inches axe. No need to struggle with a large axe when there is the Estwing Fireside Friend 14 inches axe to split chunks of wood into smaller pieces or make kindling. The Estwing features forged steel construction and a maul head for driving splitting wedges. The handle is wrapped in a rubber-like material that absorbs shock and provides a comfortable grip. Its small size makes it a great choice to keep on a hearth for quick splitting or take along for camping to clear the site, make kindling, and split a few rounds. This little Estwing is highly functional within the scope of its design. It balances functionality with price, too. While it wasn't the most elegant axe, hatchet we tested, the heavy 4-pound head could get out of control. It's perfect for taking along on camping trips. Drive wedges and tent stakes or easily take out some brush to clear the site. At number 3, we have Husvarna 26 inches wooden multi-purpose axe. When only the feel of a real wood handle will do, check out the Husvarna 26 inches wooden multi-purpose axe. The 26-inch hickory handle is smooth to the touch. It doesn't have a maul head, but the backside can function as a hammer to drive a splitting wedge. The 1.86-pound head is lighter than most, but it's well balanced so needed momentum can be built. It also comes with a protective leather cover for storage. This Husqvarna's hickory handle has a tight grain that gave it extra strength in testing. It's lighter than the similarly sized axes we tested, but that worked in its favor. However, we don't mean that the head itself felt too light. The weight and balance made each strike effective. In testing, we could use it single or double-handed, depending on the job. This is the kind of axe that can be kept behind the seat of a truck, ready to pull out to clear brush or split wood for camping. At number 2, we have Holt SPRU All-Mic Hatchet. The Holt SPRU All-Mic Hatchet provides a lot of splitting power in a small package. A 16-inch curved hickory handle features a tight grain and beautiful oiling. It's incredibly comfortable in hand. A lighter 1-pound head balances out the design. It may be lightweight, but the combination of the handle design and head weight make it easy to swing over and over again. A sharp head glides through wood, allowing for efficient splitting. That's the funny thing. Hatchets aren't usually the most efficient option for splitting. However, the All-Mic's combination of a curved handle with a sharp, light head makes it easy to swing and target strikes. We found it highly effective for splitting and making kindling. If the goal is to use a hatchet for splitting, this is one to consider. Users won't get tired, and they'll get incredibly accurate with each swing. And finally at number 1, Husqvarna Multi-Purpose Axe 2400. At 28 inches long with a 4-pound head, the Husqvarna Multi-Purpose Axe 2400 isn't designed for lumberjack competitions, but it's perfect for splitting a few logs or packing along on a camping trip. Its narrow head glides through the wood. A flat backside can act as a hammer to drive a wedge or tent stake. The composite handle is designed for maximum shock absorption and comfort. The handle also features a stainless steel reinforcement plate that protects the handle if it strikes the wood. The length and design of this axe allow it to be used in diverse ways. It's got the strength, durability, and weight for splitting, but its shorter handle makes it easier to store and stow. We found the handle a little short for bigger splitting jobs, especially for a taller user. The shorter of our testers, however, found it a nice weight and length, though they still had to hunch over when splitting. However, if an axe is needed for general purpose use like clearing, limbing, and smaller splitting sessions, it can cover all of the major uses. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.